Hello everyone, welcome to race number 5, 300 miles, 310 miles for me. It's around 1:30. The speed shows like 1500s right now, but I think it's gonna be a tough race, probably low 300s. I guess 1200s yards per minute, but we'll see. Okay guys, uh, let's wait for the birds. That hawk did not allow my bird to land. Whoosh, whoosh. Them hawk. Another one. Go away. Come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Come on. Come on, girl. Come on. Another tree. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. Stay. Good girl. Little update. It's what time is it? It's 3:22. I got 12 birds out of 27. It's kind of tough race. The clock shows 11:55 the speed so far, but I got the first one with the speed of 12:83. So let's Let's see if we can get more birds. The white flights is not mine. The check is mine. So let's see. The other one is not mine. Okay guys, I wanna cut the video right here and show you the results of last race. Let me see how many birds I have. I have, I think, 21 out of 27. It was a tough race. Some of the other members of the club, they told me that they had 25 out of 43. Some of others have like only 5 out of 10. So it was a tough race today, but see you guys in the next one, and thank you for watching, and check the results. All right, see ya. And here's the results of last race, 200 miles for race A. You guys remember the Grizzle with the speed of 15:22, but he got 6 seconds behind first place, behind Grid Connection. On race B, I got burst on 17th place with the speed of 14:60, 5 minutes behind first place, but no complaint. They did good. On combine, basically the same, 3rd place. And B, I think same, like 17th place, around there. But guys, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. The next race is gonna be 400 miles. It's gonna be a short week between 300 and 400 miles because we race on Tuesday. So we're planning to ship maybe Sunday night, depends the weather, and hopefully we can put the birds back on shape, everybody, hopefully in the club, and get ready for the 400 miles. Okay guys, so thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. You guys take care.